Hey guys, Justin here with J Hart Model Works, coming to you with another shop card shout out, and this shop card comes to us from our friend Brian over at Got Fuel's Model Car Garage. Great shop card, Brian. Thank you for the words on the back. If y'all do not subscribe to Brian, go ahead and check out his channel. Again, that's Got Fuel's Model Car Garage. He's got some fantastic builds, great builder. If you go for nothing else, go to check out the AAR CUDA. That thing is fantastic. Just a ton of great builds. I'm not a big 911 fan. It's a 911. He's got a 911 though that's very clean. He's got like a Boss 302 Mustang that is fantastic. It's like a really beautiful yellow. Just absolutely great stuff. So like I said, go ahead and give him a check out. Brian at Got Fuel's Model Car Garage, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.